Namaskar. Greetings from your mining mentor H.R. Ghosh. Our today's topic is rocks. This is for basic mining group 1 and this is session 10. Rocks. Definition of rock. Rocks are aggregates of minerals, particles having usually a variable composition. They range in cohesion from loose debris like gravel, mud, to the hard, compact stone, granite, etc. So rocks are aggregates of mineral particles having usually a variable composition. They range in cohesion from loose debris to the hard, compact stone. So this is aggregate of minerals is the rock. And इनका various compositions है and इसका various cohesions है. A rock may be composed of one mineral only, but is usually a mechanical mixture or aggregates of two or more minerals. मतलब ये रॉक एक मिनरल से बना हुआ हो सकता है या ये एक मैकेनिकल मिक्सचर ऑफ मिनरल्स हो सकता है और कुछ एग्रीगेट्स कलेक्शन ऑफ टू और मोर मिनरल्स भी हो सकता है. Rocks differ from one another by their composition, physical character and mode of occurrence. That means rocks का composition अलग अलग हो सकता है, physical character अलग अलग है and mode of occurrence कैसे कैसे वो बना ये भी defined हो सकता है. So accordingly rocks will be different. Types of rocks. According to their mode of origin, rocks are classified into three types. कितना किस्म का रॉक्स हम लोग को मिलता है. फर्स्ट इज igneous rock, second is sedimentary rock and third is metamorphic rock. আগ্নেয় শিলা, পাললিক শিলা, পরিবর্তিত শিলা. Coming to igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are those formed by the consolidation of molten materials termed magma originating from within the earth. They are formed by the cooling of molten materials at or relatively near the surface of the earth. They are consolidated from fusion. They form a large percentage of the whole lithosphere, underlying the sedimentary rocks and the ocean beds. Examples of igneous rocks are granite, basalt, dolerite. Igneous rocks have crystalline structure and non-stratified arrangements. Igneous rock may be acid type or basic type. It may occur intrusively or extrusively. That means igneous rock may be exposed to the surface or may be covered by other types of rocks. Coming to the sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks are deposits of materials derived from the breakdown of igneous or other rocks. They are derived from pre-existing minerals or rocks. They are the deposits of materials, the sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary rocks are deposited in beds or layers. Sedimentary rocks are arranged in more or less parallel beds or layers and are stratified by the action of water. Examples of sedimentary rocks are sand, sandstone, limestone, shale. Sedimentary rocks may be mechanically formed, organically formed, or chemically formed. So they may be formed mechanically, organically, or chemically. This is sedimentary rock. Coming to metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks are derived from any of the foregoing rocks, that is igneous or sedimentary rocks, by the action of heat or pressure, or both together. The igneous rocks or sedimentary rocks are converted to another type of rock called metamorphic rock. Example, the original rock is sandstone and it is metamorphic rock is quartzite. That means sandstone is metamorphosed to quartzite. Shale is converted to slate. Limestone is converted to marble. Granite is converted to gneiss. Basalt is converted to amphibolites. So examples of metamorphic rocks are quartzite, slate, marble, gneiss, amphibolites, etc. Now let us explain some characteristics of sedimentary rocks. First characteristic is the stratification. The arrangements of sedimentary rocks in regular layers of various thicknesses is called stratification. Each layer or bed of distinct character is called a stratum, the singular, and a series of such layers or beds is called strata. This is plural. Next is bedding planes. The planes of separation between adjacent beds of a strata are called bedding planes or planes of stratification. Lamination. Lamination is a feature of fine-grained sedimentary rocks whereby they can be split into thin layers or laminae, that is thin plates or leaves. The laminae are usually parallel to the bedding planes. So, special characteristics of sedimentary rocks are stratification, their bedding planes, and laminations. False bedding, oblique lamination. It is a feature of coarse-grained deposits whereby the layers of each bed are inclined to each other at various angles. This is called false bedding. Another characteristic is the cleavage. Many minerals have a tendency to split along one or more directions parallel to an actual or possible crystal face. This splitting gives plane surfaces known as cleavage planes. Their directions are determined by the constitution of the atomic structure of the crystal. Example, mica has one perfect cleavage. Feldspar has two good cleavages and one much less perfect cleavage. cleavage or cleat in coal. Cleavage or cleat in coal is the structure which enables coal to be split up along well-defined planes of weaknesses, lying usually more or less perpendicular to the bedding planes and entirely distinct from them. One cleat is more perfect. It is called main cleat or face cleat. The other is not that perfect or prominent. So cleavage or cleat in coal is, I repeat, cleavage or cleat in coal is the structure which enables the coal to be split up along well-defined planes of weaknesses, lying usually more or less perpendicular to the bedding planes, but they are entirely distinct from the bedding planes. And there are two cleats. One is more perfect and other is not that perfect. And there is one word, fracture. Now what is the difference between this cleavage and fracture? A fracture is the name applied to the surface when a mineral is broken independently of the cleavage. If it is broken independently of the cleavage, then it is called the fracture. If it is break along the cleavage, it is the cleavage plane. The two cleats in conjunction with bedding plane enables the coal to be broken up into more or less cubical blocks. So friend, this is about the rocks. Basically the three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. And our coal measured rock is the sedimentary rock. So this concludes the rocks. So friends, if you find this video to be useful, please share it among your friends and colleagues and those who need it for the benefit of the industry. Please wear mask and maintain social distance and keep safe. Thank you.